Hi everyone, I am Mayank and I am excited to be here to talk about a topic that's booming in 2024 and relevant to many of you breaking into the field of data analyst as a fresher with zero or little relevant experience. Now you may be thinking, how can someone with no prior experience possibly land a data analyst role? And I get it. The field of data analysis is competitive and many employers require years of experience or advanced degrees. But here is the thing. It's not impossible. With the right mindset, strategies, and determination, you can absolutely crack into a data analyst role, even as a fresher. So let's dive into what data analyst is. After that, we will see some practical steps and strategies that you can start implementing today to increase your chance of breaking into the data analyst field. So, what is data analytics? To learn about data analysis, you must first know what data analytics is. The term data analytics refers to a group of quantitative and qualitative methods for drawing important conclusions from data to extract numerous patterns, interaction, connection, and other significant insights from it. Data science entails several steps including gathering data and classifying it.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Before moving forward, here is a quick info for you. If you want to upskill yourself, master data analytics skills, land your dream job, or grow your career, then you must explore Simplilearn's cohort of various data analytics programs. Simplilearn offers a data analytics postgraduate program from Purdue University in collaboration with IBM. Through this program, you will gain knowledge and work-ready expertise in skills like prescriptive and predictive analytics, regression, classification, and over a dozen others. That's not all. You also get the opportunity to work on multiple projects and learn from the industry expert in top-tier product companies and trainers from top university. After completing these courses, thousands of learners have transitioned into a data analytics role as a fresher or moved on to a higher paying job and profile. So don't forget to check out the course link from the description box below and the pinned comment. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now you will be wondering, what does a data analyst do? So what does data analyst do? On huge dataset, data analysts gather, analyze, and run statistical studies to glean insights and spot trends. They use various methods and tools to transform complicated data into useful insights. They therefore provide insightful data that enables businesses to make informed decisions, and this is the answer of question what data analysts do. So moving forward, let's jump into roles and responsibilities of a data analyst. The roles and responsibilities of a data analyst often consist of the following. The first one is create and manage databases and data system, fixing coding mistakes and other data related problems as necessary. The second one is using both primary and secondary sources for data mining. The third one is rearranging data in a way that both individuals and machine can understand. The fourth one is create documentation that clarifies the data analyst process for stakeholder. So now let's jump into how to become a data analyst with no experience, steps and strategies. So becoming a data analyst without prior experience can be challenging but achievable goal. So here is a detailed guide on how to break into the field of data analysis from scratch. So the first one is master the basics. Data analysts need a mix of technical and soft skills. Start by learning the basics of statistics and mathematics. So key topics are descriptive statistics. Learn measures of central tendency, mean, median, mode, measures of variability, range, variance, and standard deviation, and data distribution like normal distribution and skewness and kurtosis. The second is inferential stat. Understanding hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, p-values, and statistical significance. The third one is probability theory. Basic probability concept, conditional probability, and Bayes theorems, and many more. The fourth point is linear algebra and calculus. Fundamental concept that underpin many statistical algorithms. So you guys can learn these topics from our Simplilearn's YouTube channel where each topic is explained in depth by our experts. The second point is programming languages and Python. In Python, learn the basic syntax, data types, and control structures like loops and condition. The second one is libraries for data analysis like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib for data manipulation and visualization. The third one is library for statistical analysis like SciPy and stat models for performing statistical tests and modeling. And in R, like basic syntax like data types and structures. Data manipulation like dplyr, tidYR. The third point is statistical analysis, base R function and package like ggplot2 for data visualization. So you guys can learn these topics from our Simplilearn YouTube channel where each topic is explained in depth by our expert. The third point is data visualization and reporting. So in this, we have first Tableau. Creating and customizing various charts and types like bar charts, line graphs, scatter plots. The second is building interactive dashboards and stories. The third one is connecting to different data sources and data blending. The second one, we have Power BI. Data modeling and creating relationship between data sets. The second point is designing reports with visuals, filters, and slicers. The third point is using DAX, data analysis expressions, for advanced calculation. In this category, third, we have Excel. So in this, you can learn advanced formulas like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index, match, and arrays formulas. The second is pivot tables, summarizing, analyzing, and visualizing data. The third is data visualization, creating and formatting charts, sparklines, and conditional formatting. So you guys can learn these topics from our Simplilearn YouTube channel where each topic is explained in depth by our expert, or you can go through their official document websites. In Master the Basics, the last point is SQL database and the key concept. The key concept are basic SQL commands, select, from, where, join, group by, having, or order by. Second is database design, understanding tables, relationships, and normalization. The third is advanced SQL, subqueries, window function, and common table expression, CTEs. The fourth one is database management, connecting to a database, writing optimized queries, and understanding the indexes. So you guys can learn these topics from our Simplilearn YouTube channel where we have SQL playlists covering each topic that is explained in depth by our expert. The second point is work on your personal project. Applying your new skills to real-world problems is a great way to gain experience. So here are some projects ideas to help you get started. The first one is personal project, public data analysis. Choose a public data set that interests you and perform a comprehensive analysis. For example, analyzing COVID-19 trends over time, predicting house prices, or studying climate change impacts. The second is Kaggle competition. Kaggle is a fantastic platform where you can participate in data science competition. These competitions provide real-world data and problems to solve. For example, predicting customer churn, classifying emails, or creating models to improve sales forecasting. The third one is build a dashboard. Create an interactive dashboard using tools like Tableau or Power BI to visualize data insights. For example, a dashboard tracking global financial market or visualizing crime rates in different cities. The third point is get certified. While certification won't replace real-world experience, they can be valuable additional to your resume. So there are numerous data analyst certification available online, such as the Google Data Analytics Certificate, the Data Analyst Program by Simplilearn. This Data Analyst course by Simplilearn in collaboration with IBM will transform you into a data analytics expert. In this course, you will learn the latest analytics tools and techniques, how to work with SQL, the languages of R and Python, the art of creating data visualization, and how to apply stat and predictive analytics in the business environment. These certifications not only provide you with the solid foundation, but also show potential employers your commitment to learning and growing in the field. The fourth point is build a portfolio. One of the best way to showcase your skills to potential employers is by building a portfolio. This can include personal projects, data analysis on real-world dataset, or even Kaggle competition. The key here is to demonstrate your ability to apply what you have learned to real-world problems. Don't worry if you don't have access to fancy dataset or tools. There are plenty of publicly available dataset on sites like Kaggle or even government website. You guys can make portfolio like this. So this is an example of one portfolio. So you can distribute your projects like this, or you can take help from this. Okay. The next point is networking and mentorship. Connect with professionals in the field through LinkedIn, local meetups, or professional association. Look for a mentor who can provide guidance, feedback on your projects, and potentially help you with the job referrals. Networking can be invaluable in learning about unadvertised job openings or internship. The next point is internship. Apply for entry-level position or internship. Look for job titles like junior data analyst, data technicians, or analytics assistant. Look for opportunities in local community, reach out to startups or non-profits, or even consider offering your services for free initially. Even customer service or administrator roles that involves data entry or reporting can serve as stepping stones, giving you practical experience with data. The seventh point is prepare for interviews. Be ready to discuss your projects, how you approach problems, and what you have learned. You should also be prepared for technical interviews that may test your knowledge of stat, programming, and data analysis techniques. You can refer to Simplilearn's video on data analyst interview question and answer on YouTube. So to sum it up, master the basics, build a portfolio, get certified, get experience through internship and freelancing, network like crazy, and never stop learning. And most importantly, believe in yourself and your abilities. Thank you for your time, and I wish you the best of luck on your journey to becoming a data analyst. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. Our team of experts will reach out to you as soon as possible. Thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.